So today I'll show you how to change those lights, the yellow one, kinda ugly one, to more powerful. So every light have a it number. So this one is like H11 or H7, and this one is H1 or H11. So what I got here, H7 for this side and H11 for that side. I just want to see how those different brands will last me, and then I'll pick another package, so I'll install on all of the lights. And now fog lights are coming up. I order some special lights, very bright. Let's start to put them on. This is where we're going to work today. Okay, so I'm gonna install the low beam first. So how's the package? Looks like it. This is how the lights are looks like. H7. So there is a mechanism to open the headlight. Headlight is out. I mean the bulb. And then, so this is only one-way light. Honestly, I don't really see how it should look like it. So let's put the old one again. Okay, I think I figured out. So this is the bulb for the low beam. So there is a kind of a mechanism, you pushing it and pulling it inside. Push, pull inside, slides back, and this is how you should install your new light. Just like this. Let's hook up the new light. Those metal brackets that hold the light, it's right on its way. It will take a while to install it, so I'll skip this like this one for the video. So I finally installed that bulb there. So next we have to find out polarity. So you turn on your headlights and you go like this, or okay, so this is the good way. Just clips in, and then you have to kind of tuck it like kind of farther there. Kinda, it's not going to be so hard there, but I just can tuck it far away. All set. Let's see how it should look like. Oh yeah, it's white. The other side is yellow. White looks nice. Let's do the high beam now. So for the high beams, I'm gonna use this light. Dual turbo polarity flip adapters, like always. Package is kind of heavy also. So those bulbs looks just a little bit different. Not so much, but let's get the old bulb out. Oh wow, that bulb's so deep inside there. And there's also same kind of mechanism that hold the bulb, so for all those jobs you have to have a small kind of hands. My hand like just barely fit there. So basically you have to pull to the down and right, and the bulb's supposed to come up, but I don't even know how I'm gonna install the new ones, because new ones are very thick. Right here they're very wide. Let's get that high beam bulb out. Oh my goodness, I don't know how it will even work there. I'm not thinking so that high beam will work with my setup there. But I got it as H11, so I'll try it. So I just made a research, and I was thinking to disassemble the light there, but there is no way that this thing will fit, so I need to order the H1 LED light, and they look kind of same than this thick one, so I'll just keep those ones for my low beam, or I hope my fog lights will be H11, because they're kind of H11 on the original light. So let's just put this one back, and I guess, yeah, sucks that I cannot put a high beam to 2 days, so it's only the low beam is HAD. Just like this. So you have to do everything just blindfolded. Put everything back. Okay, so these ones I will do the next time, because I need to get the ground also somewhere from the chassis. Yellow, white.